You don't know what's inside of here?
It's morleys. Morleys, we want morleys today.
Oh, you think it's bullies? Alright, what's on there? Guess what's on there?
Guess what's up now?
Yeah, put in the comments what you think. What do you think?
Huh? What's mine? I think it's wings.
Wings?
And chips.
What do you think?
Burger sauce, wings, chips, chicken strip burger,
Chicken
all of
strip,
that,
all of that. Miranda, all of that. Well, this is the live skin version. The live skin version don't do Miranda.
No Mirandas. We do some 7-Up.
Innit?
Alright. Boom.
Boom.
Alright. Don't
You see the
fool me.
smoke? Ooh,
You
popcorn
see-
chicken.
Looking
Popcorn chicken.
Sexy, alright.
Popcorn chicken.
Alright, we're gonna start with the fries. You know,
The fries.
everybody knows them. These Morley's fries, sexy.
Sexy, that pen.
I never heard a man talk about fries like that.
Oh my god. McDonald's are getting jealous.
Innit?
You know how McDonald's got them peng fries?
On a level, this is some pink
Bare
fries.
salted up.
But ooh.
They're not.
I like skin chicken connoisseur today.
Alright, so
Wearing black Karachis.
so for the fries, yeah, I give them a firm, a strong, a lovely, a delicate
Delicate.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
You know, normally we do it out of 5, we do it in the 10.
But the fries are so good. He has to rate out of 10.
Alright, cool. So,
We have popcorn chicken today.
so the chicken, yeah.
Popcorn chicken review.
Sexy.
Again.
Lovely.
Lovely,
Lovely.
lovely.
I said yesterday there was that Kylie Jenner, that Kim Kardashian.
That Kim Kardashian. That's Selena Gomez.
This has all the Latinos.
The Latinos. Ah, the Latinos.
This has all the Selenas,
The Selenas.
all the Kim Kardashians,
The Kardashians. The Minajes.
the Minajes.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Bossman,
They have one of the
how
Lopez.
How the chicken season up today? Did the boss man do well?
Bossman do a little bit.
This man done a good job.
He breaded it well, innit? There was the breading.
Time in the shop.
Sexy.
Time.
Oh. Alright, look at it.
Alright, KFC's at next level.
You know that popcorn? You know that popcorn? That chicken popcorn, yeah?
The popcorn chicken.
Yeah, literally everything.
I don't know. They might be the same. They might be the same. If you guys are wondering which Morleys we're going to, because there are millions in the world.
There are millions. This is the one in South Nord.
This
South
is-
Nord High Street.
As you can tell, this is a up-leveled Morleys. There ain't no broke Morleys down the corner where they give you some dirty box with chicken pictures on it, yeah? This Morleys, 30 years. They have 30 years.
Now celebrating 30 years, bro.
They have 30 years of making their wings, their chips. This is the real Morleys, yeah? This was here since before I was even born.
Before I was even born.
3 years after my mum was born. I just told you her age. So,
A little bit of maths.
chicken. Show me to rate the chicken. Show me to rate the chicken.
Rate the chicken.
I'll rate the chicken
Alright, cool. Out of 5 or out of 10?
out of a million.
Out of a million.
Yep. I'll probably give it.
Any decimal points, brother?
No decimal point.
That's how good. That's how good it is. No decimal points. No
gonna give it-
0.00005.
900
900.
and 99,000
9,000.
900
900.
99
99.
point.
Point. The decimals. Decimals.
9
9.
9
9.
9
9.
and 9.
And 9. Man, right down to the decimals.
Right. Some people might be sleeping. Like money.
Alright, so as you can tell, this Morleys, like, you can't ask a boss man, can I put the sauce over it? It's not like that. Ain't like that. It's not your average Morleys. It's the professional one.
Professional one. But this Morleys is up to date.
You need to drop the fry.
I nearly dropped the fry. He had to catch it real quick.
Gonna die. I dropped it. Alright. So, what do you guys think the price was?
50,000.
$3.99.
$3.99? What do you think? What do you think?
Me, around like 350. In the comments, put it down below. At the end of the video, we'll tell you how much it is. The first person to get it right, I'm gonna subscribe to them, like all of their videos,
And subscribe to them on 8 different accounts.
8 different accounts.
But no cheating.
No cheating.
We can tell if you cheated or not.
Yeah, we can tell.
We have this secret thing with our brains. And by the way, just so you guys remember, make sure you get involved in our chicken giveaway. So
Basically, at Morley's, this Morley's right here, the Pengus Morley's.
or the kebab, whatever you want. Yeah.
Well, whatever one.
The first. Okay.
The first person to buy any meal.
What you need to do? You need to record. No, wait. You need to record yourself. Okay, no, Banda. You need to subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah? First step, subscribe.
Share it to your friends so they can subscribe.
Share it to your friends.
Now, like the video.
Like the video.
All of them.
All of them. All of the video.
All the videos. Yeah.
Subscribe.
Comment on all the videos saying you subscribe.
And then subscribe to It's Babs.
But first subscribe to It's Josh.
Yeah.
It's a good channel.
Subscribe to this channel. This is my channel.
This channel.
And then you can go over and subscribe to his channel, which is It's Babs.
Only if you have time, but stay on this channel. Yeah. It's a good channel.
It's a good channel.
Alright, so if you want, when you do that, when we get to 50 subscribers,
50s
we will do a chicken.
giveaway.
Yes, so you can meet us there. We'll buy you anything up to £10.
Anything up to £10.
£10.
So even if we go Morley's, we can get the family bucket for £9.99.
And it's all for you, boss man, unless you want to share. But
Yeah, but that's what 6 pieces of chicken, coleslaw, beans. Morley's sponsored by Morley's. Yeah, Bob, that bucket includes 6 pieces of chicken, coleslaw, beans, 1.5 litre of Coke,
a burger,
a burger, 4 portion of fries,
2 fillets, and 1 chicken burger.
1 chicken burger.
And as you heard, the big bucket of Coke.
Anything up to £10. And guess what? We'll even give you the change.
The change.
So even if you get 4 wings for £1, we'll give you the £9 change.
You know what I'm saying? You deserve it, boss man. Or boss lady.
Boss lady, yeah.
I doubt there's gonna be a lady.
You deserve it. Look. You know what we do on this very
Point. You know where we are.
You know what we do right here.
Yeah, you know what we do.
the one and only.
The one and only Harachis.
Ooh,
Harachis.
Have a look at these breads.
Kangaroo. Obviously, Keegs Mama's a rebel. Shows up to school in Harachis.
Drop them.
And then
Check them. I don't even know what brand they are.
I want them.
I don't like their shoes. Guys know what I'm gonna do with the rest of this morning? Yeah. It is your business.
Okay.
Because this is your video, the one that you're watching. The best video you've ever watched. Bun them PewDiePie.
And it bun PewDiePie.
Boss.
Subscribe to the Sidemen though.
Yeah, subscribe to Sidemen.
Shout out to the Sidemen.
Sidemen.
20 subscribers.
And then
30. Guys, up to 30 subscribers.
So 30 subscribers.
I'll tell you what I do with this right now. I am going to eat it.
20 subscribers and 50 likes. No, 20 likes for this video.
Alright.
Drink on the episode. Alright, cool. No graffiti, Lucas said. We got that one and only aloe vera.
Right, cool.
Boss man. Special price.
I'm doing too much. We're gonna switch the person, alright? You're gonna trust this? You're gonna pause it.
Go. Mama started the video with Batty T1.
Alright, go on then.
Basically, yeah. Aloe vera, special aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
Today I'm rating the drink. I am rating the drink. Okay.
Alright, Wagwan. Oh, I look sexy already.
It's the one with the bits.
The bits.
Hang bits.
Peg bits.
Hang bits.
Hang
Hang
bits.
bits.
Hang bits. Yeah. Hang bits. I'm joking. Out of 5.
Out of 5.
4. Why are you zooming in for?
We're not. Here 4. Yeah, 4.
0.8.
0.8. Alright, how much do you rate your hairline?
1.2.
1.2. Alright, walk one. Alright, cool. So how fat you getting?
Yo, Rude, you should back him up.
Alright, cool. Alright, walk on.
Fat. 0 grams.
0 grams. Aye, someone's on a diet.
Of which saturates? 0 grams.
0, alright.
Carbohydrates? 9.6 grams.
That's alright.
Doint sucrose, I don't even know how to say
Doing
it.
squat.
Doint sucra,
Yeah, don't sound quoi.
9.5 grams.
9.5
Protein,
protein.
0 grams.
Mm-hmm.
Cell, 0.04 grams. And then vitamin C,
Vitamin C.
26 mg, 32% out of 100 g.
100 G. Alright, what flavor is this?
This is original. Aloe vera is basically a flower. What they do, they get all the nice juice out of it.
The nice juice.
You can use it to cream your skin.
The skin, yeah. You see, he does it all the time.
Cream the skin.
Yeah, he creams his skin all the time. He creams his skin all the time.
Don't want to look all crusty and
Alright, cool. This is mine.
Action.
everybody, yeah. I want to shout out to all my family. Big shout out to my cousin, yeah. Big shout out to my grandma, yeah.
Make sure they're
Big
watching
shout-
this, you know.
Big shout out to my mum, yeah. Big shout out to my cousin, yeah. She's a girl, yeah. And Oscar, yeah.
Wait, he's a girl. You just said she's a girl.
She's a girl, yeah. Yeah. Big shout out to my cousin's cat, Shadow, yeah. You know how it is, yeah. And that's it. That's all I gotta say.
Let's get you connoisseur. What are you saying? What are you saying?
I'm saying.
Sexy.
Nah, you know how we sign out. Yeah,
Yeah, the expectations.
let the boxes
You know how. Ready? Love. Peace. Chicken. Chips. And wings.
And wings.
In a bit.
Sexy as always.